the legend of Atlantis has captivated the human imagination for centuries. According to the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, Atlantis was a powerful civilization that existed approximately 9,000 years ago. It was a land of unparalleled beauty and prosperity, with advanced technology and a sophisticated culture. However, Atlantis was destroyed in a catastrophic event, and it sank beneath the ocean, never to be seen again. The story of Atlantis has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and scientists for centuries, and many have attempted to find evidence of its existence. Some researchers have even claimed to have discovered remnants of the lost city, but their findings have often been dismissed as pseudoscience or hoaxes. However, recent advances in technology have made it possible to explore the depths of the ocean in ways that were once unimaginable. In this essay, we will explore the possibility of a scientific expedition to Atlantis Island, a hypothetical location that may hold clues to the lost city of Atlantis. The search for Atlantis. The search for Atlantis has been ongoing for centuries, but it has been shrouded in mystery and controversy. Some researchers believe that Atlantis was a real place, while others argue that it was a mythological invention of Plato's. Nevertheless, there have been many attempts to locate the lost city, and many theories have been proposed about its location and fate. One popular theory suggests that Atlantis was located in the Mediterranean Sea, near the island of Santorini. This theory is based on the fact that Santorini was the site of a massive volcanic eruption that occurred around 1600 BCE, which may have destroyed a nearby civilization. Some researchers believe that this civilization may have been Atlantis, and that the volcanic eruption caused it to sink beneath the ocean. Another theory suggests that Atlantis was located in the Atlantic Ocean, near the Azores or the Canary Islands. This theory is based on the fact that many ancient maps show a large island or continent in this region, which has been interpreted as Atlantis. Furthermore, some researchers have claimed to have found underwater structures in this area that may be remnants of the lost city. However, there is no definitive evidence to support any of these theories, and the search for Atlantis remains a subject of debate and speculation. Nevertheless, recent advances in technology have made it possible to explore the ocean in ways that were once impossible, and this has led to renewed interest in the search for Atlantis. The technology of underwater exploration. Exploring the depths of the ocean is a challenging and dangerous endeavor. The ocean is vast and unpredictable, and it is home to many creatures that are hostile to humans. Furthermore, the pressure and darkness of the deep sea can be overwhelming, and it can be difficult to navigate and communicate in such an environment. However, recent advances in technology have made it possible to explore the ocean in ways that were once unimaginable. Submersibles, remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, are now commonly used to explore the ocean floor. These devices are equipped with cameras, sensors, and other instruments that allow researchers to collect data and images from the deep sea. Submersibles are manned vehicles that are designed to descend to great depths. They are typically equipped with large windows that allow occupants to observe the ocean floor, and they may be equipped with arms or other tools that allow researchers to collect samples or perform experiments. ROVs are unmanned vehicles that are operated remotely from a surface ship. They are typically equipped with cameras, lights, and other instruments that allow researchers to collect data and images from the deep sea. They may also be equipped with arms or other tools that allow researchers to collect samples or perform experiments. AUVs are unmanned vehicles that are designed to operate autonomously, without human intervention. They are typically equipped with sensors and cameras that allow them to navigate the ocean floor and collect data. Some AUVs are also equipped with arms or other tools that allow them to perform simple tasks, such as collecting samples or measuring environmental conditions. These technologies have revolutionized our ability to explore the ocean and have allowed researchers to make many new discoveries. For example, submersibles have been used to explore hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, which are teeming with unique forms of life. ROVs have been used to explore shipwrecks and underwater caves, revealing insights into the history of human civilization. AUVs have been used to map the ocean floor and to study the behavior of marine animals in their natural habitat. The possibility of a scientific expedition to Atlantis Island. Given the recent advances in technology, it is not inconceivable that a scientific expedition to Atlantis Island could be undertaken. Atlantis Island is a hypothetical location that may hold clues to the lost city of Atlantis, and it is believed to be located in the Atlantic Ocean, near the Azores or the Canary Islands. The first step in planning a scientific expedition to Atlantis Island would be to identify the most likely location for the lost city. This would require a thorough review of all available evidence, including historical records, ancient maps, and geological data. Researchers would need to consider factors such as ocean currents, underwater topography, and the likelihood of finding evidence of human habitation. Once a location had been identified, the next step would be to design and build the necessary equipment for the expedition. This would likely involve the use of submersibles, ROVs, and AUVs, as well as specialized instruments for collecting data and samples from the ocean floor. The expedition would also require a team of researchers with a diverse range of skills and expertise. This would include marine biologists, geologists, archaeologists, and engineers, as well as support staff such as technicians and logistics specialists. The team would need to work closely together to ensure that all aspects of the expedition were properly planned and executed. One of the biggest challenges of a scientific expedition to Atlantis Island would be the depth and complexity of the ocean environment. The ocean floor is a harsh and inhospitable environment, and it can be difficult to navigate and communicate in such an environment. Researchers would need to be prepared to deal with unexpected challenges, such as equipment malfunctions, ocean currents, and encounters with hostile marine life. Another challenge would be the cost of the expedition. The equipment and personnel required for such an expedition would be expensive, and funding would need to be secured from a variety of sources. It is likely that the expedition would require a significant investment of time and resources, and it may take many years to plan and execute.